Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, July 15, 2025. Kath Den, Vice Ganda, Josh Lea, Box Office Heroes of 8th Eddies. 8th Eddies, gaganapin na sa July 20, 2025. Star-studded ang 8th Eddies, Entertainment Editors, Choice, ng Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, SPEED, sa July 20, 2025, Linggo ng gabi, sa Ceremonial Hall ng Marriott Grand Ballroom, Newport World Resorts, Pasay City. Host ito nina Kailin Alcantara, Darren Espanto, Alexa Ilacad, at Kayla Estrada. Ang host sa red carpet ay sina Alexa Miro at Mr. Fu. Performer sina Eric Santos, Jackie Lu Blanco, Cole Ledesma, Arman Ferrer, Ice Segura, Carla Guevara La Forteza, at David Young. Pagpupugayan bilang box office heroes sina Catherine Bernardo, Alden Richards, Vice Ganda, Joshua Garcia, Julia Barreto, Dennis Trillo, Ruro Madrid, Vic Soto, at Piolo Pascual. Pararangalan bilang movie icons sina Direk Loris Guillen, Odette Can, Perla Bautista, Pen Medina, Rosemary Hill, Eddie Mesa, at National Artist Kidlat Tahimik. Recipients ng special awards ang GMA Pictures at Nathan Studios, pati sina Oji Diaz, Crispina Belen, at R.S. Francisco. Para sa Best Actress, nominado sina Jane Oineza, Love Child, Judy Ann Santos, Espantajo, Marian Rivera, Balota, Mylene Dizon, The Hearing, Charmaine Centenera Buencamino, Postcard Tales, at Suprado, Your Mother's Son. Maglalaban-laban para sa Best Actor sina Alden Richards, Hello, Love, Again, Arjo Ataide, Topak, Dennis Trillo, Green Bones, Joel Torre, Lolo and the Kid, Kokoy De Santos, Your Mother's Son, Sid Lucero, Outside, at Vice Ganda, and The Breadwinner Is. Sa kategoryang Best Supporting Actress, pagalingan sa 8th Eddies sina Chanda Romero, Espantajo, Christine Reyes, The Kingdom, Elora Españo, Your Mother's Son, Kaki Teodoro, Isang Himala, Lorna Tolentino, Espantajo, at Nadine Lustre, Uninvited. Para sa Best Supporting Actor, maglalaban sina Aga Mulak, Uninvited, Joros Gamboa, Hello, Love, Again, Miggy Jimenez, Your Mother's Son, Patrick Garcia, A Journey, Ronnie Lazaro, The Gospel of the Beast, at Ruro Madrid, Green Bones. Magkakawing-kawing ang 6 na nominadong Best Picture sa mga kategoryang Best Director at Best Screenplay. Green Bones, idinirek ni Zig Dulay mula sa panulat ni Ricky Lee at Angeli Atienza. Prinudyos ng GMA Pictures, GMA Public Affairs, at Brightburn Entertainment. Hello, Love, Again, idinirek ni Cathy Garcia Sampana mula sa panulat ni Carmi G. Raimundo at Crystal S. San Miguel. Prinudyos ng ABS-CBN Studios, GMA Pictures, at Star Cinema. Isang Himala, idinirek ni Pepe Jokno mula sa panulat ni Ricky Lee at Jose Lorenzo Jokno. Prinudyos ng Capitol Films, UXS, at Crea Zion Studios. Love Child, idinirek ni Jonathan Jurillo mula sa panulat ni Arden Rodkins at Ariana Martinez. Prinudyos ng Regal Entertainment at Southern Lantern Studios. Outside, idinirek ni Carlo Ledesma mula sa panulat ni Carlo Ledesma at Anton Santamaria. Prinudyos ng Black Cap Pictures at Netflix. Under API Amon, idinirek ni Kurt Soberano mula sa panulat ni Vicente Groyon. Prinudyos ng Baconawa Films Productions, Green Pelican Studios, at Jungle Room Creatives. Ang 7 iba pang kategorya ay Best Editing, Best Cinematography, Best Production Design, Best Musical Score, Best Sound, Best Original Theme Song, at Best Visual Effects. Lahat ng nominado at honorees ay imbitado sa 8th Eddies, kung saan modern Filipiniana at barong Tagalog ang attire ng mga dadalo. Magkakaroon ng delayed telecast ang 8th Eddies sa Kapamilya Channel, Jeepney TV, at may worldwide streaming sa I1 sa July 27, Linggo. Co-presenter ng 8th Eddies ang Newport World Resorts at ABS-CBN sa ilalim ng production ng Bright Light Entertainment na led by Pat Pidoza, at ididirect muli ni Eric Quizon. Major presenter ang Playtime PH sa pakikipagtulungan ng Globe at Unilab. Beneficiary ng 8th Eddies ang Little Ark Foundation na nagbibigay ng comprehensive support to children with cancer, thalassemia, and other serious illnesses. The organization offers assistance such as temporary housing, transportation to treatment centers, daily meals and emotional and logistical support for families. Its mission is to give children not only the care they need, but also a safe and hopeful space to heal and dream. At yan ang ating latest Showbiz Chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more Showbiz Chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios!